In this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Assurance Hybrid wiper blade onto push-button wiper arms that are 16 millimeters or 19 millimeters wide when measured on the inside of the arm. For this installation, you will need to exchange the pre-installed HN-type base holder for the B-type base holder included in your packaging. Step 1. The HN-type holder is located in the center of the wiper blade, and it is about 3 inches long. Step 2. To remove the HN-type base holder, insert a screwdriver into the smallest hole of the adapter. Use the screwdriver as leverage and pull up forcefully. Step 3. Bring the B-type base holder up to the wiper blade. Line up the directional arrow on the holder to the arrow on the wiper blade. Wedge the tab from the holder into the slot of the wiper blade and snap it down completely. Step 4. Take your B-type adapter, open up its cap all the way, and bring it up to your wiper arm. For larger push-button arms, insert the adapter into the wiper arm by sliding the prongs on the wiper arm along the L track located on the side of the B adapter's body. For smaller push-button arms, remove the A14 sleeve from the B-type adapter. Then insert the adapter onto the wiper arm by sliding the prongs on the wiper arm along the L track. Step 5. For all push-button arms, ensure that the square tab on the top of the adapter sits in the wiper arm's square-shaped hole. Step 6. To secure the adapter into either arm, hold the adapter in place by putting pressure on the protrusions on the bottom of the B-type adapter. Then close the B-type adapter cap and press down until you hear a click. If the adapter is able to wiggle around in the wiper arm, please recheck Step 5. Step 7. Bring the wiper blade up to your wiper arm and make sure that the opening on the B-type base holder is facing down towards the windshield. Line up the large center groove on the B-type holder with the protrusions on the bottom of the adapter you just installed, and squeeze together until you hear a loud snap. Step 8. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.